Welcome back everyone. So far we have built our indicator source, indicators and data collection jobs. Now we will focus on the final analytical layer, breakdowns and breakdown mappings. These let us segment, group and compare our data for deeper insights. Let's jump right in. A breakdown allows us to slice an indicator score into smaller meaningful categories. For example, instead of just knowing the total number of new incidents, a breakdown let us see how that number splits by priority or category or assignment group. Breakdowns make your analytical interactive and helpful for identifying where issue or pattern occurs. They are what turns a single metric into a full analytical view. Let's start with an automated breakdown, which dynamically pulls its elements from a field on the facts table. For that, search for automated breakdown in all. You will find automated breakdowns under breakdown modules in Platform Analytics Administration application. Click on automated breakdowns. We will create one called priority new. For that, click new. Give a name and description for your breakdowns. Coming to the automated section, we have breakdown source. Select the predefined source. For this, we have already created a breakdown source. Incident created daily grouped by priority in our data source video. Let's select that source. This source defines where the list of breakdown values come from. In this case, all priority options are on the incident table. Let us save this form. After saving this breakdown record, you can see breakdown mappings in the related list. This is where we tell the system how to connect the breakdown to the data table. A breakdown mapping links the breakdown to actual field on your facts table. Now let us link to the facts table. Click on new. Now select your facts table based upon your requirement. In our case, that's incident. And select the required field in order to map this field to the data source values. In our case, that is priority. So submit this record. This mapping ensures that when an indicator runs, the system automatically groups data by each priority value, such as high, medium, low, and critical. So in short, automated breakdowns plus breakdown mappings equals to dynamic grouping that stays current with your data. Now coming to the breakdowns relations, sometimes you will want a hierarchical relationship between two breakdowns. For example, category and subcategory. That's where breakdown relations comes in. They define parent-child links between two breakdowns. So if you select hardware under category, the subcategory breakdown automatically filters to its only show hardware-related options. This creates a cascading filter effect on your dashboards and visualizations, making them more intuitive and user-friendly. Coming to the indicator related list, this is where we add our indicator. Click on edit and select a pre-existing indicator. We have already created number of incidents daily in our previous video automated indicator. So let's select that indicator. So now this particular breakdown is used for this particular indicator. You can add multiple indicators for this breakdown as per your requirements. In order to get the data, you need to run all jobs associated with this indicator. So go to the indicator and run all the jobs associated with this indicator. Now go to the indicator and click on explore indicator. Now you see a filter icon in the right side, which is nothing but breakdowns. Now you can see all the priority values are added in the filters. In order to see each individual records for these states, click on a day score to see if we have any scores with priorities assigned. On October 8th, we have 3 records in incidents. In that 3 records, we have assigned 2 records to critical and 1 record to moderate. By selecting multiple and selecting display as separate time series, you can visualize them in 2 different lines. This blue line indicates the critical record and this red line indicates moderate record. So this is how we use breakdowns and breakdown mappings in platform analytics. And that wraps up our session on breakdowns and breakdown mappings. With these configured, your dashboard can now segment and drill into your data by any field like category, priority, or even custom groupings. In our next video, we will take this a step further with bucket groups. We will create a complete example and to show how to categorize numeric or textual ranges into logical buckets for deeper trend analysis. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.